Unleash your inner artist and bring your wildest imagination to life with Midjourney, the powerful AI art generator, even if you've never created anything before. First things first, you'll need to join the Midjourney Discord server. Don't worry, it's super simple. Once you're in, navigate to one of the newbies channels. You'll see lots of amazing art being created by others. Get ready to be inspired. Now, let's get to the fun part: creating. At the bottom of the screen, find the prompt bar, which is where you tell Midjourney what you want to see. Type the / command, followed by the word imagine, then your descriptive words. Start with something simple, like a fluffy cat wearing a tiny hat. Be descriptive. Think about the colors, the style, the mood. The more detail you provide, the better Midjourney can understand your vision. After you hit enter, Midjourney will work its magic and present you with 4 unique image options based on your prompt. Take a moment to admire your creations. Now you have a couple of choices. The U buttons are for upscaling, if you love one of the variations and want a larger, more detailed version. Click the U button below it. Each U button corresponds to one of the 4 images from left to right, top to bottom. The V buttons are for variations. If you like the general idea of one of the images, but want to explore similar options, click the V button below that image. Midjourney will then generate a new set of 4 variations based on that specific style. Once you upscale an image, you'll get a larger version with more options. You can reroll a specific image again to get new options, or use the very handy upscale to max button for an even higher resolution, perfect for sharing or printing. It's that easy. Start experimenting, play with different words, and discover the incredible potential of AI art creation. Happy creating!